If your iPhone is stuck on the Apple logo, frozen while turning on, or stuck in a restart loop, don't panic. This is a very common issue on the iPhone 7 series, and in most cases, you can fix it yourself at home. If you search this problem online, you'll notice something very important. Most tutorials for the iPhone 7 are 8 or 9 years old, and many of them use outdated steps that don't work anymore. This video is fully updated, tested, and I can confirm these methods work in 2026, specifically for the iPhone 7 and iPhone 7 Plus. I'll walk you through these fixes from easiest to most effective. Stop as soon as your iPhone turns on normally. Alright, let's get started with the video. Fix 1. Force restart. This fixes the issue for most people. The iPhone 7 and 7 Plus use a button combination, so follow this exactly as I do. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Make sure you press both buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons. When you see the Apple logo for the first time, do not release yet. Once the Apple logo disappears and the screen turns black, release both buttons. Now press the power button once to boot the iPhone normally. Give it a moment. If your iPhone starts up to the lock screen, you are done. If it gets stuck again, move on to the next fix. Fix 2. Charge the iPhone for 30 minutes. This step is important. A weak or unstable battery can cause the phone to get stuck during startup. Plug your iPhone into a wall charger, not a laptop. Leave it charging for at least 30 minutes. After that, try fix 1 again using the same button steps I showed earlier. If it still won't turn on, continue on to the next fix. Fix 3. Update using a computer. For this step, you'll need a Mac or a Windows PC. On a Mac running Mac OS Catalina or newer, open Finder. On Windows or older Macs, open iTunes. If you don't have iTunes already installed, you can download it from the link in my video description. Now connect your iPhone to the computer using a cable. Next, we'll put the phone into recovery mode. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button together until the screen turns completely black. Once the screen is black, release both buttons and immediately press and hold the volume down button only. While holding it, connect the iPhone to the computer. Keep holding the volume down button until you see the recovery mode screen. Recovery mode screen basically is a cable pointing to a computer. Once your computer detects the iPhone, you'll see two options: update or restore. Choose update. This reinstalls iOS without deleting your data. The download may take a while. Do not disconnect the phone. If the update finishes and the iPhone restarts normally, you're all set. If the update fails or the phone stays stuck, then use the restore option. Only do this if nothing else worked. This step erases everything on the phone unless you have a backup. Put the iPhone back into recovery mode using the same steps I showed earlier. When prompted, this time choose restore instead of the update. Your computer will reinstall a fresh version of iOS. Once finished, you can restore your data from the iCloud backup or a computer backup if you have it. If the restore fails or won't complete, the issue is likely a hardware related. If this video helps you, give it a like. If you are still stuck, leave a comment describing exactly what your phone does and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.